Please be seated. We're back on the record in cause number 94-0D09328, State of Texas versus Daniel Villegas. The record should reflect the attorneys for the state, the attorneys for the accused. The accused are present in the courtroom. The court has received a message from the jury indicating that they've reached a verdict. Pete, let's bring the jury in. Please be seated. We are back on the record in cause number 94-0D09328, the State of Texas versus Daniel Villegas. The records reflect the attorneys for the state, the attorneys for the accused. The accused are present in the courtroom. The court has brought the jury back into the courtroom, having received a message that they've reached a verdict. Madam Presiding Juror, has in fact reached a verdict. Could you please hand the charge and the verdict form to the bailiff, who will deliver it to the court so that I can ensure that it is in proper form. The court does find that the verdict is in proper form. If the defendant will please stand. In the District Court of El Paso County, Texas, 409th Judicial District, the State of Texas versus Daniel Villegas, number 94-0D09328. Verdict form B. We, the jury, find the defendant Daniel Villegas not guilty of... Ladies and gentlemen, is this your verdict? And is it a unanimous verdict? Does anybody wish to have the jury polled? There has been a request that the jury be polled so that I can ensure that it is your individual verdicts. Juror number 1, Ms. Courtney, is this your verdict? Juror number 2, Mr. Flores, is this your verdict? Juror number 3, Ms. Rocha, is this your verdict? Juror number 4, Mr. Contreras, is this your verdict? Yes. Juror number 5, Mr. Miranda, is this your verdict? Yes. Juror number 6, Mr. Paul, is this your verdict? Yes. Juror number 7, Ms. Luna, is this your verdict? Juror number 8, Ms. Gonzalez, is this your verdict? Juror number 9, Mr. Hunt, is this your verdict? Juror number 10, Ms. Guido, is this your verdict? Juror number 11, Ms. Bloom, is this your verdict? And juror number 12, Ms. Estebané, is this your verdict? The court does find this to be the verdict of the jury and will be accepted as such. Ladies and gentlemen of the jury panel, you have been under many instructions since you've been with me at the beginning of this week. You probably know them as well as I do. You are no longer under any instructions. You are free to discuss this case with whomever you choose. By the same token, you have the right to keep your deliberations personal and private if that is your desire. I do know that it is the custom of the lawyers in this community to talk to the jury, to see what was important to them, so that they can better represent their sides in the future. It is always this court's custom to go back and talk to the jurors, to answer any questions I may be able to answer about their jury service here in the 409. I said it on Monday, and I say it with more conviction today. I truly do believe the two greatest freedoms we enjoy in this country is the right to vote for those who govern us and the right to sit as jurors when someone's been accused of a crime. On behalf of the state of Texas, on behalf of the attorneys for the accused, on behalf of the accused, on behalf of my staff, but most importantly, on behalf of your system of justice, thank you for admirably carrying out your civic duty to this great country. You are excused from further jury service. For those who are there, I will be back there shortly.
All rise.
Please be seated. Let the record reflect that in cause number 94-0D-09328, State of Texas versus Daniel Villegas, that the jury has come back with a verdict in this case, finding that the accused not guilty. Mr. Villegas, you have been under many conditions in this court. You are no longer under any conditions in this court. You are free to leave. Thank you. Good luck to you, sir.
Bye, Naomi.